If you're looking for the box to get, this is the box to get. Let's show 'em why. Here we go, SlayGlamBox, September 2023. First up is an eyeshadow primer. This is from Charmacy, and it looks like it's a good-sized amount. Excited to get to try this one. From Italia, there is a lip liner in the shade Wine, and the number is 1066. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's a nice color. Yes, it is. I'm not big on lip liners. However, I have learned that lip liners can also be a nice lipstick and then pop a little lip gloss on top. Oh, that's a great idea. This lip gloss is from gerardcosmetics. Anne is not opening it yet because she has too many products open. Yeah, I have enough open that I think the lip gloss police are likely to come after me. But that shade looks inviting. The shade name is Ecstasy, and from what I hear via the grapevine, it smells like cake. Oh, wow. If you're seeing things that you're enjoying, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of fun videos over here. Yeah, comment below, give it a like, a subscribe. And what else is in the box? And now moving along with the video. The next item is from a company, and I hope I say this right, chloior. I probably said that wrong. This is a multi-chrome highlighter, could also be used as an eyeshadow. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to it. I haven't opened the product, I just took it out and I could tell by the scent that mica is the top ingredient and they must have just enough in there. I can tell by the scent it's going to aggravate my allergies. So this one is going to go into the Find a Future Home box. It is a beautiful shade though. A rainbow of colors. To be exact, I believe it is called Rainbow. Yes, it is called Rainbow. And then there is the palette. Oh, wow. Yes, the company saintsangelssinners Cosmetics did a collab with SlayGlamBox. They've created this palette called You're a Star, and Saints, Angels, Sinners has a palette out that I got in another box, and that is one of my favorite go-to palettes. So when I heard that there was this collab coming, I was doing the happy dance. It does come with a mirror. The shades are really neat. Somewhere around here, there's gonna be a short that shows how I did Anne's eye look today. So that should be showing up soon. I want to do swatches. Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job with the swatches, Camel. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I like stuffing. Did you see a color that you liked? Let us know. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. She always does this. One of the reasons I say this is the box to get is because it's a $24 box. The shipping is free. I don't know how they do it. You do have to pay tax. So that puts me all in at, what does that put me in at? $25.86. And it's a well thought out box. The lippies go well in coordination with the eye palette. It's always a well thought out box. And there's no card in here, so I'm guessing at some of these prices. I looked around on the internet and found what I could. The Charmacy eyeshadow primer is $4. The Italia lip liner is $3. The GerardCosmetics eyeshadow, nope, that's not an eyeshadow. You're right, that's not. You messed up. Yep, I did. Oh well, it happens. The GerardCosmetics liquid lipstick in ecstasy is $20. The multi-chrome rainbow highlighter or eyeshadow is $12. And the eyeshadow palette, as near as I can guess, because I can't find it online, as near as I can guess, I think that palette is in the $45 range. So Saints, Angels, and Sinners times SlayGlamBox, y'all did an awesome job. So comment below if you haven't done so already. And again, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. And we hope to see you soon in another video. Catch you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.